I used to have stomach upset after taking soya milk, but since I learnt and perfected this recipe, I have not experienced it again. I now make the best creamy and tasty soya milk in the comfort of my home without experiencing any stomach upset or beanie test like most persons experience. And I'm here to share with you, my wonderful followers. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. Do not skip any part of this video and make sure you like, drop a comment. Welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamy. Let's make this very thick, creamy soya milk. I used to be a lover of soya milk, but after some time I noticed I experienced stomach upset after taking it, and I had to stop. But ever since I learned this recipe and perfected it, like this recipe, don't mind how it's looking in this video like it's going to take your time. No, it won't take your time at all, but it's really worth the step. So for you to enjoy your soya milk, you have to just follow step by step on how I did it. This particular soya milk recipe, you'll be boiling your beans twice. Like you're going to boil it with the back, and you're going to boil it after sieving it. You're going to boil the milk before you can consume. That is just the best way to make your soya milk. It will not disturb your stomach, and it will not have that beanie. You know that soya beans seed has smells like beans, and it tastes like almost like beans. So you can imagine when it's not properly prepared, you're going to just be as if you're eating or you're drinking raw beans, something like that.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything